Hi, I'm Jim Pryor from Quietco, and here's a little clip of me turning on an Alexa Echo Dot through the separating party wall. So I'm stood in my client's neighbour's property, the other side of the party wall, and the sound insulation is so bad on this one, before we've done any soundproofing, that I managed to turn on the smart speaker through the separating party wall. Here, watch the clip.
Okay, here we go.
Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Right now in Royal Leamington Spa, it's 7 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast has mostly sunny weather, with a high of 7 degrees and a low of 0 degrees.
So what's so shocking about this is we carried out a UCAS accredited sound insulation test of this separating party wall. It achieved 47 dB DNTW plus CTR. Now this is 2 decibels better than the current regulations for new build properties. So even though I could turn on the smart speaker through the separating party wall, standing in the neighbour's property, shouting through the separating party wall, turned on the smart speaker, that wall performed 2 decibels better than the current regulations for new build properties. So one thing I'm really passionate about is introducing a noise rating. This is just like the energy performance certificate, but for noise. I want to make sure every home in the UK has a noise rating. So when people come to buy a house, whether it be a detached, barn conversion, masonette, semi-detached house, flat or apartment or whatever it is, it comes with a noise rating. So when they buy that house, they know what sort of level of noise they can expect to hear. So I'm Jim Pryor from Quietco. I just wanted to share that little insight with you. Click subscribe on Quietco or check out our other videos to see what else we're getting up to.